Good morning, honeys. It is Monday morning and I woke up. I tried to wake up early, but I didn't make it. It's like past 9 right now and I almost broke a nail setting up. I set up, can you guys hear this? I hope it's not disturbing. Anyway, I set up on my lounge on the floor because I want to do a quick mom glam. I've got a meeting, my last meeting for the year, I believe, at 12:30 in about 3 hours time. So I want to do my face. I've done my hair, so I really want to film most of the stuff so that I pre-record the videos that will be going up for the rest of December. As most of you may know, the 12th of December is the last Vlogmas vlog that will be going up, so that's in 2 days time, and thereafter there'll be videos that I've pre-recorded, but like every 3 or 4 days and that kind of thing. And I just think it's, I don't want to say pointless, but it doesn't make sense for me to really vlog all of December, like do Vlogmas every single day, because not everyone is really hooked on their phones and it's not really about the views, but the work that we put in is not really, like, you know, the trade-off is just not worth it. So that's why I decided that the first 12 days are the best. People are still at work, obviously. Some students are at home, but not all students have Wi-Fi at home, so yeah, it just makes practical sense. I hope you understand. But there will be a video on the 16th. There'll be a video like every 4 days after that or so, I think. I hope so. I'm trying to work really hard and pre-record. I'm actually leaving tomorrow. We're going on holiday, so I've got to pre-record before that because see, Eastern Cape, I'm going to be in my makoti wear. I'm definitely not going to be thinking of filming and recording. Thereafter we're off to Cape Town. I want to take a proper holiday. I've just been working, so when Fez turned 6 weeks, I decided I'm gonna work, and I've been working like a Trojan since. I'm sure you guys can testify, and I'm tired. I'm honestly very tired, but anyway, I love what I do, so I would not exchange this for anything in the world. On a lighter note, I am actually gonna be filming a makeup look, and I am high-key excited for our holiday. For now, let me get mom glammed up and film that. I feel like everything is so rushed. I finished doing the makeup look and I'm looking at my brows and they're looking a bit funky, but it's fine. I am scared I might be running late. It's only past 11 and my meeting is in a little over an hour's time, but I'm still stressing. So I'm going to unravel this for a video and end off my makeup video. I'm like filming 3 videos in one: this vlog, this makeup look, and this hairdo. It's crazy, it's crazy. This is what happens when you do Vlogmas and want to make it. So I did this to myself. Now I better live with it. And the fact that I'm letting you know, I don't know why I'm telling you guys, but anyway, maybe it's so that you sympathize with me. Okay, I'm gonna end this makeup video now. The lighting is popping. Yes. Okay, let me do the unraveling first. Okay. Alrighty, so now to rush. I've just filmed everything I needed to film. Yes, girl power, girl boss power. Yes, I'm feeling energetic again because I've just filmed 3 videos and it's not even 12 yet. But before I'm late for my meeting, let me change, fix Fez's baby bag, because whenever we leave we've got to repack it and check if everything's in there, and then bounce. Oh wow, I look tall. Oh no, why do you look so low? Come baby, come baby, come baby, come baby. Yes. I told you he likes my singing. Yes. Wow. Okay, looking away doesn't mean you still like it, girl. Yes.
So, Tabandi, you can see the ring. It means that they're filming very close.
Yes.
Because in your eye.
Yeah, if you're sitting as far as we won't
like
see it. Yeah. That's why you see it. But I need to make up people. Oh, no wonder these were cheap. No, I didn't see that they were broken. Yeah.
Hey, Paige. So, pretending you're not looking, I'm a little gamma listening.
I'm going pink. I still feel like I'm a bit far. Should we change this book? Because on camera it looks really wet.
It's really. Change it to a color that's like a white. You prepared, you smart. You prepared.
Babe, I know you're smarter.
No,
than me.
no.
I prepared just in my head.
Exactly. Me now, boom. Hey, message.
Okay, this will still be part of the vlog. Yes, this is me a vlogger today. You hear that?
Oh my God,
so we're gonna film a cute Christmas, I mean a cute New Year's send off for all of you guys. And Baba Face is still fixing himself. Yes. We're still discussing what we're gonna say.
Yeah, we are.
In reality, the only one who's ready is this little handsome man.
Say what up.
Point you, but like
checking himself out. Yeah.
Okay, babes. Yeah, I've got spit on me. My hair is not even done. So we're about to film. Have you thought about what you're gonna say, love?
It's fine. I'll shoot off the hip.
Okay, you'll double up from the hip. Okay, I mustn't show these arms because
you must keep.
Yeah, we don't want people saying Yolz is showing bras.
You can change your hair.
Should I?
I don't know.
No, it's fine. Let's keep them. Okay. 1, 2, let's just do this. So I've changed and taken off my bun over here, and I also filmed with the little one. I filmed my last video for the, well, is it the last video for the year? I filmed a how I manage as a mom, how I manage my work life, my YouTube life, and that kind of thing with this little one, and him being so young, obviously, and yeah, business life. So I've just finished filming that. I think I'll post it sometime closer to Christmas, but I'm just pre-filming so that I don't have the stress of not having content on my channel. Otherwise, this is definitely the last vlog of the year. I'm feeling so bad. It is the last Vlogmas video, which will be on day 12, and I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. I've totally enjoyed it. All the other videos that I did promise you will definitely be in next year, because I feel like there's not a lot of people. A lot of students are obviously on holiday and other people are out of work already, so we have to think of the data situation in SA. Nonetheless, the property video where I answer questions, that expect that next year. Other videos which I have promised, expect them in the beginning of the year where everyone else is back. Whoopsie, sorry Nana. Otherwise, it's been a productive day, a good day. Had meetings, came back home, filmed 2 videos again. So in total today I would have filmed 5 videos. That's insane. That is crazy for one human being. I am tired. Hubby's gonna be on the pots today. He's gonna be making burgers, so I'll have that footage. And if I don't say goodbye after we eat, you know what? We're making bacon and chicken burgers. Daddy on the beat, 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 daddy on the beat.
I don't know, still on the garden.
No, it's fine now.
It's too much.
So there I was on my way to bed, literally about to get into my bed, and I realized I did not end this vlog. So you know I like to do things the right way, so I'm gonna end this vlog here and properly. So I hope that December is only the beginning of greater things for you leading into 2019, and that December may be a springboard for the year ahead for you. Whatever it is that you want to reach, whatever goals it is that you want to target, I hope you'll reach them and achieve them. And yeah, I'm gonna stop with my motivation and encouragement. Like, y'all, can you stop now? Can you just end the vlog? I love you guys so much, and from me and my family, good night for now. I love you guys. I feel like I'm kissing you all on your cheeks, and I'm giving you guys, you know, these warm hugs and squeezes. Okay, let me not be mushy, but I'm actually quite mushy. Like, I don't, yeah, I'm being mushy. Let me end this vlog here. I love you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't just be watching, coming back to my videos and you don't subscribe.